9.1, your chapter 9. We are here to discuss your question number 2. It's a very important question. First of all, we'll understand what the question says. Your question is, a tree breaks due to storm. Okay, एक tree है आपकी, you can see here, this is your tree. Okay, this is tree. Now this tree breaks due to storm. Suppose ये यहाँ से आपकी टूट गई, right? ये ब्रोकन पार्ट है और ये आपका स्टैंडिंग पार्ट. दिस इज योर स्टैंडिंग पार्ट, राइट? और ये आपका ब्रोकन पार्ट. ओके. नाउ दिस ब्रोकन पार्ट जो आपका ये है, सपोज से आपका ये पूरा यहां पे आ गया, राइट? नाउ दिस इज ए B, C, ये आपका C dash. Your BC is broken part which come to the ground and makes an angle. Let us see what the angle is made. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends. ये आपका broken part था जो आपका bend हो गया है, so that the top of the tree touches the ground. ये top of the tree है जो आपकी ground को touch कर रही है. You can see here the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees. So what is the angle given here? 30 degree. Right? We can take it C only, so it will be easy for you to understand with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point, ये foot of the tree है आपका, ठीक है? This is your foot of the tree to the point where the top of touches the ground is 8 meter. ये आपका 8 meter दिया गया है, ठीक है? Find the height of the tree. Height of the tree will be your standing part plus broken part. That means आपको AB निकालना पड़ेगा और BC. Let AB हम लोग X ले ले और ये जो आपका BC है ये आप Y ले लीजिए, ठीक है? This is your 90 degree. So we will calculate the value of X. We'll calculate the value of Y and by that we will just sum up और उससे हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? Height of the tree. So let us see here solution part. In triangle BAC, tan 30 degree, you can see here tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon 8. That is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB की value x upon 8. Your x is equal to 8 upon root 3. So what is your AB? That is 8, or we can write it in this way. AB is equal to x is equal to 8 upon root 3. Right? Now again it's the same triangle, okay? We'll take the same triangle. In triangle BAC, now we need to work out BC. आप देखिए एक बार आपको AB मिल जाएगा, आपके पास AC है. You can also work out BC by Pythagoras theorem, okay? Because it's a right angle triangle, you'll get the same value. If you don't want to use Pythagoras theorem, then you can go with that ratio in which you will get this hypotenuse. So I'm going to use cos. You can see here cos 30 degree is equal to AC, that is base upon hypotenuse, that is BC. What is cos 30 degree? Root 3 upon 2 is equal to AC is your 8 and your BC, right? यहाँ से आपका BC की वैल्यू आप रख सकते हैं Y. So what you get is Y is equal to 16 upon root 3. So you can write here BC is equal to Y. This is equal to 16 upon root 3. Right? Now just see the same thing I am going to tell you with the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem के लिए देखिए आप क्या करते हैं. Your BC is equal to under root. ये आपका क्या हो जाता? हमें क्या निकालना? BC ना. तो BC is equal to AB square plus AC square. Right? सो दिस इज इक्वल टू ए बी अपना क्या है, ये हो जाता है 64/3 प्लस ए सी दैट इज 64. Now this can be 64 plus 64 into 3/3. ये आपका हो जाता 64 कॉमन ले लीजिए तो ये 64 into 4/3. You can see here this value will be equal to 64 perfect square है तो ये 8 4 का 2 और 3 का क्या बाहर आ जाता है √3. So this is again equal to 16/√3. So it is up to you कि आप पाइथागोरस थ्योरम थर्ड साइड के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं या फिर आप कोई ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो. एनी हाउ वी हैव गॉट द स्टैंडिंग पार्ट एज वेल एज ब्रोकन पार्ट, राइट. सो दिस वाज द ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड. ये आपका हो गया स्टैंडिंग पार्ट. दिस इज योर स्टैंडिंग पार्ट and this is your broken part, right. Now total height of tree is x plus y. What is the value of x? 8/√3 plus y 16/√3. That is equal to 24/√3 and that is equal to 24 into, ये यहाँ पे ही हम लोग इसको रैशनलाइज कर लेते हैं. 24 into √3 into √3. So this becomes 8√3 meter. Okay. √3 into √3 ये आपका 3 हो जाएगा. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So this is your 8√3 meter. So this is how the complete height of the tree is equal to standing part plus broken part. That is x plus y. इसको हमने calculate किया and thus we have work out for the height of tree. Thank you.